Deep within the heart of Madagascar's lush wetlands, a remarkable story unfolds. Meet the Madagascar pochard, the world's rarest duck. Teetering on the brink of extinction, once thought to be extinct, this incredible bird was rediscovered in 2006. With fewer than 50 individuals left, every moment counts for its survival. Dedicated conservationists are on a mission, creating breeding programs to restore their population. But challenges loom: habitat loss, climate change, and invasive species threaten their fragile existence. It's not just about saving a bird, it's about preserving an entire ecosystem. Local communities are stepping up, learning how to live in harmony with nature. Together, we can ensure that future generations will hear the gentle deep within the heart of Madagascar.